The ancient oceans once hid many secrets. Among the most fascinating was the Plesiosaurus. This legendary sea reptile has captured imaginations for centuries. With its long neck and sharp teeth, it looked like something out of a fantasy story. Plesiosaurus was not a dinosaur, but it lived at the same time as many famous dinosaurs. Its unique body shape made it stand out among other sea creatures. People have wondered for years how this animal moved and hunted in the deep blue. Many stories and even legends have described sea monsters with long necks. Some people even think old sightings of Plesiosaurus inspired these tales. Today, scientists can tell us the real story behind this prehistoric predator. Now, let's dive into the world of Plesiosaurus and discover what made it so special. Plesiosaurus lived a very long time ago. It first appeared during the early Jurassic period, around 200 million years ago. This was long before humans walked the Earth. Back then, the world looked very different from today. The ancient seas were filled with many strange and wonderful creatures. Plesiosaurus swam in these oceans, hunting for food and avoiding bigger predators. Fossils of Plesiosaurus have been found mainly in what is now Europe, especially in England and Germany. In those days, much of Europe was covered by shallow, warm seas. These waters were perfect for Plesiosaurus to thrive. Other types of plesiosaurs lived in different parts of the world, but the true Plesiosaurus mostly called these European waters home. Knowing where and when Plesiosaurus lived helps us understand its life and the challenges it faced. Plesiosaurus had a body that was both strange and beautiful. Its long, flexible neck made up almost half its body length. This neck could have up to 40 small bones, making it very bendy. Its head was small, but its jaws were packed with sharp, needle-like teeth. The body itself was wide and flat, almost like a turtle without a shell. It had 4 large, paddle-shaped flippers. These flippers were strong and helped the animal move smoothly through the water. Plesiosaurus could grow up to 3.5 meters long, about the size of a small car. The skin of Plesiosaurus was smooth, not scaly like a lizard. Its bones were heavy and strong, which helped it stay underwater. The long neck and tiny head made it look very different from any animal alive today. Every part of its body was adapted to life in the sea, giving Plesiosaurus a unique look among ancient reptiles. How did Plesiosaurus move in the water? Its swimming style was one of its most interesting features. Unlike fish that use their tails, Plesiosaurus used its 4 flippers to fly through the water, a bit like a sea turtle or a penguin. The front and back flippers worked together, pushing against the water to move the animal forward. Scientists believe Plesiosaurus could change direction quickly, making it a skilled hunter. Its body was built for gliding smoothly rather than for speed. The long neck helped Plesiosaurus reach into tight spaces like coral reefs or rocky cracks. This meant it could sneak up on prey without moving its whole body. Some experts think the neck could move from side to side, giving Plesiosaurus a wide hunting range. All these features made Plesiosaurus a master of its underwater world. So, Plesiosaurus was a carnivore, which means, it ate other animals. Its sharp, pointed teeth were just perfect for catching slippery prey like fish. It may have also eaten squid-like creatures called belemnites, and even small marine reptiles. Hunting in the ancient seas was not easy, you know. Plesiosaurus used its long neck to sneak up on fish from below or from the side. It could strike quickly, snapping its jaws shut around its unlucky prey. The small head and narrow snout really helped it catch fast-moving animals. Now, some scientists think Plesiosaurus hunted in groups, working together to herd fish into tight spaces. Others believe it was more of a solitary hunter, using stealth and surprise. Either way, its body was made for catching and eating fast, slippery food. Its hunting skills helped Plesiosaurus survive in a world full of dangerous predators. Plesiosaurus had many strange and wonderful features. One of the most unusual was its neck. No animal alive today has such a long neck with so many bones. Scientists still debate how flexible the neck was and what it was really used for. Another odd fact is that Plesiosaurus did not lay eggs. Instead, it probably gave birth to live young, just like some modern sea creatures. Fossil evidence shows that plesiosaurs had babies inside their bodies, ready to swim as soon as they were born. Its eyes were large, giving it good vision underwater. This helped it spot prey and avoid danger. The teeth were also special. They pointed inward, making it hard for prey to escape once caught. These unique features show how Plesiosaurus was perfectly designed for life in the ancient sea. How do we know so much about Plesiosaurus? The answer is fossils. When Plesiosaurus died, some of its bones settled on the sea floor and were covered by mud. Over millions of years, these bones turned into stone and became fossils. Paleontologists, scientists who study ancient life, find these fossils and carefully dig them out of the ground. They use special tools to clean the bones and put them back together like a giant puzzle. Sometimes they find almost complete skeletons, which helps them learn about the animal's shape and size. New technologies like CT scans and three-dimensional models allow scientists to study fossils in amazing detail. They can look inside bones, see how muscles attached, and even guess how the animal moved. Every new fossil adds to our understanding of Plesiosaurus. These discoveries bring the world of Plesiosaurus back to life for us today. There is something magical about Plesiosaurus. Its strange shape and mysterious habits make it one of the most famous sea reptiles. People have wondered for years if it could still be alive, hiding in deep lakes or oceans. Plesiosaurus has appeared in books, movies, and even legends like the Loch Ness Monster. Its image is known all over the world. Scientists and artists both love to imagine what it looked like and how it lived. Learning about Plesiosaurus also helps us understand the history of life on Earth. It shows us how animals can change and adapt to survive in different environments. The story of Plesiosaurus is a story of survival, mystery, and discovery. It remains a symbol of the wonders that still wait to be discovered in our own oceans. Plesiosaurus may be gone, but its legacy lives on. Every new fossil tells us more about this incredible animal. Scientists continue to study its bones, hoping to unlock even more secrets. The story of Plesiosaurus teaches us about the power of adaptation. It reminds us that the oceans were once home to creatures stranger than anything we see today. Its unique body and hunting style helped it rule the seas for millions of years. Today, Plesiosaurus inspires curiosity and wonder in people of all ages. Museums display its skeletons, and children dream of discovering their own fossils. It is a reminder of the endless mysteries of our planet's past. The Plesiosaurus will always be remembered as one of the most fascinating sea monsters in history.